Ever wonder how sriracha is made? It seems like it's working its way into so many different products. So we went to one of the most popular makers of sriracha, Hoi Fung Foods in Irwindale, California. During August and September for 6 weeks, Hoi Fung Foods allows people to visit their factory while they grind their chilies. It's free to attend, but you have to reserve online early. Look at how many people are attending this tour. They really make it a fun experience for you. They had a lion dance to open up the tour. They gave a lot of freebies. We got a really cool umbrella and a nice t-shirt that said 39 spicy years. So let's go see how sriracha is made. What's this for?
Oh, because it's gonna be like a...
Thank you. And can you get a t-shirt M? Oh, okay. We'll get 2 of these. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Chocolate or vanilla? Wow. Hello, can I get vanilla? Thank you. What flavor do you want?
What is chocolate?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. So that's how sriracha is made. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.